Kids, and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is comparisons. Now, in earlier classes also, we talk about comparisons, where we can compare two things in terms of their size, length, width. Today, we'll talk about numbers, whether if two numbers are given, whether a number is greater or smaller or equal. So here we have a concept of bigger, smaller and same, as we did in the pre-number concept. Now suppose there are two numbers, 4 and 2, right? There is two numbers, 4 and 2. There is a crocodile sitting in the center. Now crocodile has a mouth like this, right? So he will always open his mouth towards the bigger stone, bigger number. This is 4, this is 2. So where crocodile sitting at the center, he will open to the bigger stone. So he will open his mouth towards number 4. So this sign is the sign of greater than. When we talk about numbers, we represent greater, smaller, equal to with particular signs. In today's session, we'll talk about the greater than sign, which is like this. You have to draw this sign, which exactly looks like a mouth of a crocodile when he opens his mouth. Now, in your book, there are few examples given. Let's practice them. So you can see there is a number 7 stone and number 2. Which number is bigger? 7 is bigger. So crocodile will open his mouth towards number 7. So this will be the sign. You will put the greater than sign. Now, in the next part of the chapter, you have to count the number of ants and chicks that are given. You have to write, first you have to count and then write the number, and then you have to put the appropriate sign. So let's begin. In the first set, there are on the left stone and right stone, there are ants given to us. Let's count. First, let's count the number of ants on the left side, then on the right side. So how many ants are on the left side? There are 2. And on the right side, 1, 2, 3. Which number is bigger? 3 is bigger than 2. So crocodile sitting at the center will open his mouth towards 3. Now in the next set, there are chicks given to us on the left side and on the right side. Let's count and write the number and then put the appropriate sound. Let's count the number of chicks on the left side and then on the right side and then put the appropriate sign. So on the left side, 1, 2. On the right side, only 1. Which number is bigger, 2 or 1? 2. So crocodile will open his mouth towards 2. So children, this is the concept and symbol of greater than. This is the sign of greater than. I hope you understood this well. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.